Palantir is trading just right under $67 right now while I'm recording this video, and it's about to break that all-time high. In this video, I'm going to talk about in details when to buy, when to sell, or if you're already holding the stock, that this video might help you very clear that when to sell the stock. And if you are planning to sell the stock today, tomorrow, or in the mid-range swing trades, or the long term, or even probably after 3 or 4 months, this video has every single detail that you need in order to buy or sell this particular stock, Palantir. And I'm going to talk in details where the stock is heading and how much downfall it has in details. So, but before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. And if you want to trade with us directly, the link is down in the description, and you can come and trade with us directly and get benefited. You can make money every single day by trading even other stocks, and I guarantee you, you will make money. And this is not a financial advice, it's only for educational purpose only. Just try it, believe me, you're gonna love it. I'm not gonna lie, you will gonna love it. So let's talk about Palantir. Palantir right now at $66.40 while I'm recording this video. Well, where the stock is heading, it's very clear that earnings were absolutely crazy good. So this is on the first stance that I'm going to talk about the earnings. Of course, earning matters a lot, and with that we know where the company is really heading. Means that company is heading on the north side or on the south side. South side means, of course, on the downfall. North side means, of course, that means on a very positive side. So with said everything, that earnings were really good, but also the guidance were also really good. That means the future earnings are going to be really crazy. That's what they're really predicted, and that's what the hedge fund institutions, the banks are really predicting, and they're really pumping money in Palantir. Well, this stock was once honestly somewhere around $14 when it hit all times low. Well, let me see here in detail. All times high, before this all times high, it was $45 something ish in 2021, and finally after 3 years this stock broke that $45 and now trading at almost around $67, and that is all times high again. Well, will it continue to break that all times high again, or it will really consolidate or flush down? You'll find out very clear. When this stock really flushed down to $45 to right below to $6, no one was really interested, and everyone was really doubtful for this company, that this company really will come back to that $45 or even $30 range. No one really believed that. But again, everything takes time. Good thing takes time. The company owner, of course, he is so much driven for this company that he didn't let go of his project or his innovation or whatever target what he had for this company, and he was really working constantly. And finally the company starts seeing results massively, and finally companies start making profit. So now, with this being said, with all the analyst research and everything, this company, this stock is heading towards $80 very soon. So this is very clear. By December end, this stock might hit $80 very soon, and that you can sell. Probably you might have your first selling point $80. But if you don't want to sell $80, but again, I'm going to talk again something really important. When it really hit $60, the company was ranging around $100 billion market cap, right? So $100 billion market cap for this company is not really big, but if the stock really goes to $120, so that means counting $200 billion for this stock. Well, our hedge funds, institutions, the banks, are they ready to really pump the money in these kind of stock? Yes, they are, because AI is the future of this generation, 2024, and we are just stepping into 2025 now. As the companies are really getting so innovative and so competitive with each other, Palantir is not leaving single stone unturned. Palantir wanna stay in the game, and it is doing everything best it can. Now, $80 first range probably that I might be looking probably to sell. Even if it's too late to buy, I might be buying now for this price, $65, $67. Yes, that is absolutely okay for me, because I believe in this damn company, Palantir. $200 price range. Some people are telling $200. Some people are really telling even the stock can really go to $500. But let's just be realistic. This stock will not go to $500, of course, not even by 2030. I don't think so, right? If you really have to count, and of course, if the stock goes with this pace, what it's going right now, of course, then it's possible to $500. But the realistic number, every year, if the stock is getting doubled, then just give it a count. This stock might be ending probably at $300 to $400. But again, every $60 this stock moves, $100 billion will be added in the market cap. So if this company has to sit around like $500 billion, this stock would have been sitting around like $300 $300. So $500 billion market cap and $300 stock price would be really fair. But again, the company really has to keep up with its earnings and guidance up to date and beat. Only then the investors will really come in this company and they just keep pumping money. Now the hedge funds and institutions, they're really pumping the money in this company because they are seeing the future, because they are getting a solid promise from the CEO of this company, and that's why they really want to keep pumping money in this company. Now, a lot of people also, they're telling, oh, this company might reach $1 trillion. Well, reaching $1 trillion, it's not a joke. Also, you got to count the market share float. For it means how many shares are really available to trade for the public. If you really count on this company, it has a large number of share float. So that means the stock might move a little bit slow compared to other companies like, let's say, Nvidia. Before the split, it was moving rapidly, but after the split, the share numbers got multiplied into 10, and so that means market share float got multiplied into 10. So there are more shares available to trade. That means if the stock really has to move $10, the investors has to buy more and more shares, so that company might move up in the sense of dollar based on the stock. So comes down to the same calculation with Palantir. The market share float is massive for this company. So based on that, the company might move on a mid-range or even slow, but not fast as Tesla or something, because it doesn't have split. The stock price is cheaper for this range. Well, $100 billion, is it fair for this company? Well, $100 billion is not so big for this company, because this company was looking to hit $100 billion right in 2021. After that 3 years downfall, and finally after 3 years, this company is really coming up, and $80 will be my first exit. My second exit would be $120, because psychological level, that market cap would get double, and the round figure would be $200 billion market cap. So that's a psychological level, right? Even for the hedge funds, even for the banks, even for the institutions. So $120 I would give as a second exit. But after the second exit, probably again, the company might range from $225 billion to $250 billion, $275 billion, again, $300 billion. So again, if it has to move $100 billion from $200 to $300 billion, the company needs to move $60 again, right? That's what I'm talking. So what that counts, so the stock price would be sitting around $180 for the company really to have a market cap of $300 billion. So guys, now you have a very clear idea, but again, this stock price might move on a very simple basis, on a basis of how the market is really working. But now $120 is really achievable. Yes, it is achievable, but not so fast. But $80 is a fair price for me, probably for this 2024. If the things are all right in the market, $80, we have no problem for this company to reach and touch to $80, and that would be a significant growth in your portfolio if you're really holding the stock. If you're not holding the stock, if you want to buy the stock, I honestly, if I was you, I would recommend myself, I will buy the stock now and exit at $80 with a large amount of profit. But it depends how many amount like what amount of shares you're really buying in this company. Guys, don't get manipulated by market. Very simple. Don't gamble in the market. When I use the word gamble, that means don't just buy blindly and just don't sell blindly based on some crazy stupid news. Buy something what you think, and read about the company, study about the company a little bit, and then you will know where the company is heading and the earnings, the guidance and everything. Then when you come to know about this, of course you will invest in the right place. For me, Palantir is a mid-range cheap stock, and I would really invest in this company, and I'm keep on adding more and more shares in this company, and probably I might end up adding more than $1 million in this company. Well, I might share my portfolio as the stock goes up. Again, I will share everything with you. But if you want to know everything transparent in details, the link is down in the description. You can come and see what kind of stocks I'm holding and where I'm making profit, where I'm making losses, how I really recover my losses, everything you can learn from me, and all what you join for. Less than $20 a month, that money will go to donation. People who don't have money, that you can help them to eat food or whatever, it just goes to donation. So you can donate small money for the other people, but also you can take advantage from my group, and all money is of course yours. No one wants your profit, no nothing. Just give it a try. Believe me, you're gonna love it. And thank you so much for watching, and forward this video much as possible to people, because one thing is for sure, the more you will forward, people will get knowledge, they will buy more shares and all. Of course, if they don't have knowledge, but I'm not recommending you to buy the shares, but if you want to buy, this is the knowledge what I have, and if you think that is right, you can go ahead, you can buy it with your own free will, and no one cares, honestly. But this is one of the best company, and on this platform, on this YouTube channel, we recommend you top companies how to make profit, and worst companies why not to touch that. So we also tell you the companies not to touch, what even in where to invest also. So on this basis, you can subscribe to the channel, have all updates, and also have YouTube membership, so you can have private video only for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Probably see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. And if you want to see me directly, call chat with me, ask questions, you can come down to the group and ask the questions directly. Everything will be answered about your investments and all, but it's just my perspective. It's not a financial advice. Thank you. Probably see you in the next video.